Name a breed of dog that makes a mail carrier very nervous.
Ratterrian.
What?
Ratterrian.
A rat terrier.
Ratterrian.
No, it's okay.
They're a little aggressive. They smile, but they're aggressive.
Down there. This one.
It's hard to defend your ankles, Steve. It's hard to defend your ankles.
It's hard to defend your ankles.
Yeah.
You've given some brilliant answers. This ain't one of them.
This ain't one of them.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the win, the Ratterrian! Who the hell are we surveying? That don't make no sense.